Hello and welcome back to the Road to Good Cooking, and today's video is a special request from a friend of mine, and she says, come on girl, I want to learn how to make some sausage, but I don't have all that equipment like you have, so how do I make sausage links without having a stuffer? So today's video I'm going to show you how to do exactly that, so sit back and enjoy. You're going to need a cookie sheet or a baking pan like this here, and I'm going to spray it with olive oil, and this will help me move my sausage around, and it will help it to keep from sticking when I put it in the freezer, and it's just a lot easier to handle the sausage when it's on a greased baking sheet. And I'm going to be using 3 pounds of my spicy maple chicken sausage. And then here is your stuffing tube. This is a tube that I bought at Walmart, and I think I paid like $3 for it. And I do a lot of cake decorating, so I have pastry bags like this plastic disposable bag here that you're seeing. And there's the, this is the biggest tip that I have. So I use that tip like when I'm making, you know, stuffed potatoes or something like that. But you're going to want a really big decorating tip like this. And you put it in the bottom of the bag, cut the tip of it off like so. Right about there. And then push the decorating tip through the hole like this. So now you have a high-tech sausage stuffer. And it only costs you a couple of dollars. I'm not sure what these plastic bags cost at Walmart. I'm sure there couldn't be no more than $4 or $5 or so. I buy mine by the case, so I get like 500 of them in the case. And I stuff the sausage in the bag like this, and then squeeze it down. I did some links off camera, so I'm going to show you how I did it. And you just squeeze and pull at the same time. Does that make sense? Squeeze and pull, just like this. See how easy it is? And this one actually turned out better than the other ones. I was doing those in a hurry. So you just squeeze and pull. And I have a little bit of sausage left in the bottom of the bag, so I'm just going to put that on the end of my sausage links. I got a little space here, so I'll put one right there. And some on the ends, just like this. And make sure you have clean, ashy hands when you're doing this. Let me move this so you can see it a little bit better. And see, I'm just putting the excess on the ends, just like this. And we're done. And from here, I'm going to cover them up, and I'm going to put them in the freezer. Probably let them stay in the freezer for about 30-45 minutes, just long enough to set. You want them to set so you can cut them. You don't want them frozen, because if they're frozen, you're going to have a hard time cutting them. So just like that, cover them up. And here they are after about 45 minutes in the freezer, and I cut them to the desired length that I like. You can cut it to whatever length you like your sausage links, but that size is perfect for me. And here they are. Perfect sausage links. And I package them in pieces of 4, because I used to eat about 4 pieces with my breakfast. And then I individually wrap them. And from here, I'm going to put them in a vacuum seal bag and seal them. That way, you know, just like this. And when I want sausage, I just open up the bag, take out 4 pieces, and I'm good to go. And these two, I'm going to have one for breakfast this morning, and then I'm going to leave one out for breakfast tomorrow morning. I added about a teaspoon of olive oil to my pan here, and I put in 4 sausage links and 1 patty for me, and then I have 1 patty there for Sophie. And here's my other pan. I have my egg ring mold in there and some butter for my egg. I'm going to put on some nice music for you and finish putting my breakfast together, so sit back and relax. And see how easy that was to do? Now here is the moment of truth. When I tell you this sausage is super delicious, believe it. It is spicy, mapley, just the right amount of heat in it, and it's just perfect. And I'm putting some syrup on my little waffle bowl here. And I tell you what, my house smells like Christmas morning with the smell of that maple sauce and this waffle and the egg. And it's so easy to make your sausage. If you don't like the casings, don't put casings on it. Just make it like I was just showing you. It's real easy to do. Like I was telling you earlier, that decorating tip that I purchased at Walmart, I think I paid like $3.48 for it. The pastry bags, I'm sure they have those there too. I've seen them. I just don't buy them there because I do buy them by the case. And you know, the whole project will probably cost you about $4 or $5 between the stuffing tube and the disposable decorating bags. And yeah, I'm not playing around here with my breakfast because I was starving by the time I got done filming. So pardon me if I don't offer you a bite, but it really was good. I don't know, a lot of you, if you don't know this, I do have an Amazon store. So all the gadgets that I use in my videos is on my Amazon store, like the this bamboo cutlery set that I'm using, and this bite is for you. Take it. Yeah, this bamboo cutlery set that's on there. My little waffle maker, waffle bowl maker, that's on there. And the 8-inch fry pan that I was making my egg in, you'll find that as well as the egg mold. And this is my favorite coffee mug from my buddies over at Pit Barrel. Thank you for that. But yeah, definitely give this recipe a try. You have the recipe for my maple sausage links that I did in the previous video, and check it out. It's just super simple. You know, chicken and spices, that's all you need. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending part of your day with me. And I truly hope that you enjoyed this video. And I hope you give this recipe a try. Your family will absolutely love it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give this video a thumbs up. That way YouTube will share it out with other people that like cooking videos. And I truly appreciate every single last one of you. And I am so glad that you guys hung in there with me in my absence. I was gone. It wasn't on purpose. I had to wait for my cable to be installed, and that took a couple of months due to the COVID issues that we're having here, just like everybody else is. So I hope you give this recipe a try. And I have some more recipes coming up for you. So stay tuned and be safe out there. And if you have to go out, please wear a mask. You know, keep yourself protected and protect others. And we'll get through this thing that we're in. It's not going to last forever, but we all have to do the same thing in order to get ahead of it. Okay, so thank you so much for stopping by The Road to Good Cooking, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Be blessed and keep on making great sausage.